Alright, I'm doing a little update on my Verde Prism 2012 bike, and since the last bike check I did about 9 months ago, I tightened my chain for you guys, cut off my flanges on my ODIs. I got a lot more scratches, as you can see, and got some rust on it now too. Aligned my handlebars with the forks to make it look better and hurt my wrists a little less. Used to ride Cholo. Got the same hubs. Got the same Odyssey twisted PCs. Nothing's really changed much. Just some cosmetics, easy fixes. And just cleaned it. Had it since last July. And really liking it, no problems yet. It's a really good bike, and took the brakes off, whole back rim wore down. It's pretty nice though. I like it. Everyone else seems to like it, so yep. See ya.